How to change Gmail profile picture on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any of your Google services. You can directly go for Google or Gmail as well. But I'm going to go for Play Store application and simply make sure that you're logged into the particular account. Then select on a profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on Manage your Google account. And as you tap on Manage your Google account, it will take us to this new page where you can simply tap on the option of personal info, or rather you can simply select on your profile. So I'm going to tap on personal info over here. And as you tap on the personal info, you can simply see the profile picture. You can tap on the change option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select on change. And here you'll be able to see there are different ways to explore for your profile picture, or you can also go for Google Photos or device. I'm going to go for the illustration over here. So I'm going to tap on a random one, and you can now just select any color that you'd want and then tap on next. Tap on save as profile picture, and let's wait until it saves the profile picture over here. So there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.